Yeah, this is Saturday the 15th of May. This is the wound treatment I did on this ornamental pear. If you remember on the previous video, there was a huge crack in this area. It was about that wide, and of course it split down the main trunk. What you want to do is get that thing sealed up, keep water out, insects, and disease. Mortar, just like it used with bricks. Pack it in there real good. Went down both sides. You get it inside the crack. I first used a real watery mix and floated it down and blocked it to keep it from running out. Seemed to work okay. And as I got the crack filled more, I went with a stiffer mix. Same thing over here, watery first, then stiffer. Got a little area down here I couldn't get anything in. I go back with the prune seal and that black stuff. Spray it. Got a little slug trying to find its way in. A couple ants are walking around, so might do some good. Another slug. They got to go. So anyway, might do some good. I want to try to save it. Either I can or I can't. And hopefully I can. Hate to lose it. Anyway, that's all for this one. This Saturday. Got to get a haircut. I'll probably go up to the farm later on today. Got a bunch of things I need to do up there. But we'll know within a year if this wound treatment will save the tree. Thank you.